Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create templates in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will be needing just to go to the file menu and then you will need just to click on new project, or you can simply open the project that you want to transform to be a template or a preset. And you can do that by like having your media and everything. So I'm just going to import whatever I have here and let's just have it here. I'm just going to click on cancel and I'm going to start like adding some elements. So it will be some text. Let's just make the timeline to be small a bit. And here I'm just going to shorten the video and I'm just going to have it like that. So basically, you will be needing like to have like images or whatever. Now I'm just going to add this one here as a random thing to add. To create a template, you will need just to go to File, and from here you will need to save your project as a template. So now, if we go to the template menu here in Filmora, we will find that we can see our template here. And if I import this template, it will start like adding all the elements directly into my timeline. So basically and simply, those were the steps on how you can start creating the templates in Filmora. And basically you can start like editing on these templates each time. So you will, for example, just change the text and all the coloring and effects will be same. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.